Hey guys, my name is Dylan. We are here at Raymore Skate Park. Today we're gonna learn another sweeper trick. Today we're gonna learn the Fakie Sweeper. Let's go. A Fakie Sweeper is when you go up the ramp, fakie, and you're gonna bonk your back wheels off the coping. And the second that you do that, you're actually gonna rip your back foot off the board. Your front hand is gonna grab the nose of the board. Your back foot is gonna land on the deck. You're gonna sweep across the deck, make sure those wheels go over the coping and jump back in. So before you try this trick, you wanna make sure you know how to do two things. One is how to do a fakie bonk to rock on mini ramps. And then the second thing, you wanna make sure you know already how to do a sweeper. And if you don't know, make sure to go back to the beginning of this series and I actually teach you how to do a sweeper there as well. You wanna learn how to do those two things before you try to do this trick. Okay, so to do this trick, this is where I put my feet. I put my front foot directly over those bolts and my back foot is gonna go on the tail. And actually it goes pretty much almost to the edge of the tail. As you're going up the quarter pipe, you're going to press down, and that's why that foot is on the edge of the tail. Press down and bonk your wheels off of the coping. It is gonna feel pretty awkward at first, but make sure bonk those wheels and then bring your front knee directly up to your chest and just try to grab nose. Try to grab the nose of your board with your front hand. You're probably gonna be leaned too far back, and then as you start doing it more and more, you're gonna start finding that balance. But it is a little bit weird to learn how to rip that back foot off and to plant it and then to also grab the nose while going backwards. But as soon as you grab it, make sure to let the board continue to follow backwards. So you sweep across the deck backwards and then sweep back across forward. Make sure your wheels go over the coping. Make sure that hand is still on the nose. Your knees have got to be bent. Jump back in and right away. Once you do learn this trick, there's a bunch of different variations that you can do, and I'll probably do a video a little bit later on how to do a can opener, but you need to learn these mechanics first. Hey, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it helps you learn how to do a fakie sweeper, and if you do learn it, make sure to comment the link down below to an Instagram post, to a TikTok video. I love seeing anytime you guys learn new tricks. Also, make sure to comment down below to learn any other sweeper tricks. If there's anything else you want to be able to do, I would love to be able to teach them to you. If it's a cool sweeper trick that you've seen somewhere else, and share it with me, and I would love to be able to teach those as well. If you like this video, make sure to like it down below. Subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. And as always, thanks for hanging. Pro tip, there are more sweeper videos just like this at the end of this video. So make sure to wait until the end of the video, click another one, learn another sweeper trick, and continue to, man, just keep having fun. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for all things faith, family, and skateboarding. We will see you guys in the next video. And as always,
thanks for hanging.